Getting started with Hoopla. This is for Orland Park Public Library card holders. If you have a library card to another library, see if your home library offers Hoopla. First, go to the library website, click on the green and white image that says ebooks and audiobooks. The first option on this page is Hoopla with the blue square box. Click on it. This will bring you to the login screen. If you've been here before, go ahead and log in. If you haven't, go ahead and sign up for an account by clicking on the Get Started Today button in the middle of the screen. A box will pop up and prompt you to create an account with an email address and a password. Then you'll be putting in your 14-digit library card number. You can find this on the back of your library card. So just turn that nice fancy picture over, and right under the barcode there is a library card number. It starts with 21315. If your library card number doesn't start with 21315, you might have a library card to a different library, not Orland Park Public Library. So now you can see that we've reached my Hoopla home screen. You can see that I've checked out Year of No Sugar. You can check out up to 20 digital items per month. Now, if I browse and search ebooks, a list of ebooks will come up. I'm going to check out The Mountains Sing. So I just click on the orange cover there. Then I click the Borrow button on the next screen. Every time you click the Borrow button, you'll get this nice pop-up. It says Borrow Title, and it'll tell you how many days you have this title available for, and it'll ask you if you really want to borrow it, because you do only have 20 checkouts per month. So I'm going to click Borrow Title, and then this book becomes available for me to read in my browser right here. I can also download the Hoopla app on my smartphone or my e-reader, and I can read this book there using the same login credentials. Now, Hoopla is very good for ebooks because you do not have to put holds on them. All of the ebooks available here are available to all patrons. If another patron checks it out, that does not make it unavailable to you. You can still check it out too at the same time. Another thing Hoopla is very good about is music. When new albums come out, they are available pretty quickly on Hoopla with your library card. You can also check out comics and audiobooks and videos on Hoopla. You can browse by item type, or you can search something in the search bar. It doesn't have everything, but it has a good selection. So it's worth giving it a try. Leave me your questions in the comments below. Thanks.